Hi guys, in this video we'll be doing the Racecourse Roundabout. We'll be turning right, second exit towards Market Harborough A6. So this is also one of the test routes for Wigston Test Centre. Now as you approach, you need to get your mirrors, as we normally do, interior right hand side door mirrors, give a right signal, and you have a choice of lanes here. That you can either use the middle lane or the rightmost lane. Ideally you want to use the middle lane here. And having a good look to your right. There's a few vehicles coming. Just going to wait for them to get past. And when you enter the roundabout on this one, you need to enter the left-hand lane. It's the left lane that we need. Okay, safe to go. Keep to the left-hand side. A lot of learners, when they enter this roundabout, when they do it for the first time at least, they try to cut across to the right lane. It's not the right lane, it's the left lane that we need to join. This is the connecting lane, so just keep an eye out on this one, please, guys. Thanks for watching anyway. This is a Racecourse Roundabout, right second exit. Thanks a lot.